You didn't just aim for the stars, you became one. Greetings everyone, you're watching Times of Uttaranchal. This is Piyush Kumar reporting from Anne Mary School, where felicitation program is being held for the state toppers. So let's dive right into the event and get some insights. We have with us Director of Anne Mary School, Dr. Ankita Joshi ma'am. Ma'am, we saw so many toppers today. How do you feel about it?
I feel extremely grateful. God has been extremely kind to us that our students, our both students of class 10th and 12th are flying with best colors, and our result is on top notch. Our 120 plus students have scored 90% and above percentile, which is remarkable for any school in today's time, and nothing could have been better than this. Extremely proud, and it's a teamwork. Our teachers, our staff, everyone's effort is paid off. So it's a big success for us today.
A message for the students, ma'am?
Dream big, sky is the limit for you. Nothing is impossible, and like we say, the motto of Anne Mary School, live, learn and play in peace.
तो मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस। तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज के आपके बच्चे इतनी अच्छी मार्किंग के साथ उन्होंने अपना 12th और 10th ग्रेड पास आउट किया है?
I'm feeling elated, feeling very high, and you know the children have brought laurels and the result has been excellently good. Our topper has got 99.5%, so it's a city topper. So we are really happy. My heart is filled with gratitude and joy. Thank you so much. And this is the blessing from the God as well.
मैम अभी बोर्ड्स के रिजल्ट्स आए हैं, तो क्या उम्मीद के मुताबिक बच्चों ने परफॉर्मेंस किया है?
They did really very well, and I'm teaching chemistry. They have done in chemistry is also very well, and topper of the Dehradun is also from the Anne Mary.
मैम आपके हिसाब से बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा इस बार?
बच्चे तो हमारे स्कूल के सदा से ही बड़े प्रतिभावान रहे हैं और बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया। मैं उनका हिंदी विषय लेती हूँ और हमारे बच्चों ने क्लास 10th में 100% रिजल्ट रहा। कई बच्चों के हमारे 100 में से 100 अंक भी मिले हैं, बाकी 99 तो बहुत बच्चों के हैं। बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया है बच्चों ने।
We have with us the state topper from Anne Mary School. We would like to know what's your story behind the success.
Hello, my name is Ikanshi Mittal and I have scored 99.5% marks in ISC board from PCM stream. And the story behind my success is nothing but consistency and perseverance to follow my teachers. The school has provided such wonderful teachers, means I am very blessed to have learned from the best. The main key which led to my such a big score was that I really followed each and every step which my teachers guided me and revised it every day.
A message you would like to give to your juniors?
My message would be that nothing is difficult. Only thing is that we have to be disciplined and continuous and consistent in our studies.
आप अपने एग्जाम के स्ट्रेस और प्रेशर से कैसे डील करते थे?
एक्चुअली मैं अपनी टीचर्स को बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट करता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, बिकॉज क्योंकि हमारे टीचर्स हमारी सबसे बड़ी गाइडेंस होती हैं। वो हमें गाइड करती हैं, हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं, हमें सही करियर पाथ दिखाती हैं। एंड आई वुड लाइक ऑल्सो टू थैंक माई स्कूल, बिकॉज स्कूल का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है लाइफ फॉर्मेशन में, और इतना अच्छा फैकल्टी मेंबर, दी फैबुलस टीचर्स वी हैव। आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर माई सक्सेस।
स्टूडेंट्स के सक्सेस के पीछे स्कूल का बड़ा हाथ होता है, तो आपके सक्सेस के पीछे स्कूल का कितना बड़ा हाथ रहा?
देखो, स्कूल का तो ऑफकोर्स काफ़ी बेसिक रोल है, क्योंकि जो एग्जाम में लिखने जाएंगे पढ़ाएंगे तो वही स्कूल वाले ही। तो काफ़ी अच्छा, हमारे टीचर्स काफ़ी अच्छे थे, फैकल्टी ने काफ़ी एक्सेलेंट फैकल्टी थे, तो अच्छे से पढ़ाया उन्होंने और हमेशा सपोर्ट बना के रखा उन्होंने। जब भी मैंने उनसे हेल्प मांगा उन्होंने कभी हेजिटेट नहीं करा, और खुद बुला के भी मुझे काफ़ी नए अलग अलग वैरायटी के क्वेश्चन करवा रहे थे, तो उसकी वजह से रिजल्ट तो आप देख ही रहे हैं।
आफ्टर द रिजल्ट आपके पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन रहा?
पेरेंट्स तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश थे। मेरे पापा भी आउट ऑफ टाउन थे, तो उन्होंने कॉल किया मुझे 10-15 बार ताकि वो रिजल्ट के लिए मुझे कंग्रेचुलेट कर सके।
Did you ever felt like giving up? If yes, how did you overcome with that feeling?
Well, throughout my boards, if I remember one instance, it was when I had 2 consecutive exams because I had chosen bio with humanities, so I had less gap naturally. My one paper was on 19th March and another on 21st. And with 16 chapters in bio, I felt almost like giving up. But then my motivational force was my mother, because I didn't want her to feel let down by me, because it was my decision for taking bio. And plus my biology teacher, Mrs. Seema Saxena, she's the sweetest person I have met, and the amount of trust she showed in me, so yeah, that was a driving force. And yeah, that's the result. I got 99 in political science also and 88 in biology.
So any tips for the upcoming batches?
See, everyone has their own ways of studying, but what worked for me was that I went through every advice of the teachers, the notes they gave, the important notes that they highlighted in the books, and the specimen papers, because I heard many people saying that the pattern changes, what's the use, but trust me, it is very beneficial because you come to know how to write the answers. They give all the answers and that helps a lot. So that was my advice. But yeah, if the juniors have any better ways, so yeah, they can go ahead with it.
So what is your experience in this school? The experience has been great. I'm in the school since PKG, so the journey is very memorable and outstanding. The management, the school faculty, the teachers, staff, everything has supported me to be what I am today. They have encouraged me to grow and developed me to stand what I am doing today.
So are you gonna miss the school?
Definitely, I'm in the school since PKG, so my memories, my childhood, everything, playground, I'll miss the playground, everything, the jungle gym and the sand pit, I love it.
So this was the felicitation program of Anne Marie School. Stay tuned for more updates and information. This is Piyush Kumar with camera person Aryan, Times of Uttaranchal.